spider. Well, I would show you, but I can't. We'll take the camera out. So today I'm going to be taking apart the At Games controller that we featured in a video about the At Games. It got 10 views. Just watch it. Might have been a bit of alright. So we're going to be taking it apart. An unwilling task, but first, my camera's dying, so yeah. I'll do it all apart the camera. I'll show you a spider now actually, because I've got like 2%. Oh, he's moving. Hey! Well, I don't like spiders. I'm going to get someone to get that out. So, let's put you on charge. Take these on with it. Oh, let's get that. I'll get the jelly tot out. Excuse me, can you leave? I wish you guys could see this. I'm now trying to get the spider to be by its own accord. It's not happening. I'm going to record the video and get it out. Okay, so this controller's got a couple of issues. So we're going to be looking at some of the issues. Oh, I keep looking up at the spider. This video's going to be fun. So I'm going to see if I can get it apart. So let's give it a go. So not all of it's going to be overhead for this video. I'm going to have to record some like this so we can charge. I'll do like zoom in, zoom out. I'll do the fun stuff in my editing software. Got a screwdriver. Put it in. It's getting closer and closer. I'm not too keen on it. I don't know if this is the one I took apart, probably not. Yeah, it's just not coming out. I don't know why. Let's get the other one. I might have switched them up. Yes, so it's like the one. I got this one out for nothing. Fell out on the floor. I haven't got any last bit at the moment. I need to check them when I open it. Now let's try and unscrew it again. I'm too weak on my own. That's one. They're all quite big screws to be fair. This is not enjoyable for anyone. All you can see is my hands trying to do twisting a screwdriver and watching that spider get gradually closer to me. Right. Nothing's working. I don't want to have to get the big screwdrivers back out. This is not a fun video so far. Alright, the spider's getting close, you know. I've got it slightly open. Right. That spider is way too close. I'll kill it in a minute. Do something to it. These aren't just coming out. So I'm losing it. Screw you. I mean, I'm talking to screwdrivers, and I angrily try and take this apart. But I have to. Bingo. That's why it's too close now. I'm sorry guys, but this video is going to have to be cut short. You sweet little... No. He started webbing. Okay, it's on my floor now. It's on my tripod. There's two. Or is it just a shadow? I don't know, but I can't pick up that wood, so this video is going to have to be... God, I wish I'd dealt with it sooner. Because now I'm pooing myself. Just at all costs, do not go on my bed. Guys, then I won't sleep. Okay guys, it's coming really close to me and I'm getting quite worried. No. Oh, shipwreck. You wouldn't dare go into my bed. One minute, guys.
There shouldn't be any need for anyone to shoot. All they've got to do ideal situation for her.
Which is why I only work 2 shifts a week and then I pick up bank as and when. And like over the past 3 weeks, although they've only been short shifts,
Okay, guys.
I have picked up bank and worked them out.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Nah, come on.
Favour of you. Come here.
What?
There's a spider, yeah,
Yeah.
going on my bed there, and I don't like it.
Right, open your window.
What?
It's only, look, it's teeny tiny.
Ooh.
Oh, teeny
But-
tiny. There.
Very jumpy.
Yes, we need to,
'Cause it started webbing around my room.
what's happening with this?
I tried to poke it with that to get it away.
Okay, we need to put that back in. I need to see if I can get some more slats for you.
Oh. Because it came from here, started going along, I got the slat, bashed it. I was in the middle of the video as well.
Do you know what kind of
Yay! We're back. Hopefully I cut most of that out if I can remember. So now we're just going to continue with this series of trying to screws. So this is the fun part of the video where you like and subscribe. Okay. And by I flipping despise spiders coming in my room. My granddad names them. I kill them. Okay, so I've got it out. I'm now going to switch to another bit. Switcheroony. Right, we're now going to extract the motherboard. It's not a cable, don't worry. So now we've got the motherboard in all its glory. So this is the start button. This is the D-pad. There's everything else. These are all the wires. There are connectors in there. I've dropped the motherboard. You div. One thing we're supposed to not do is drop a motherboard. What do I do? Drop a motherboard. Quite a thick one though, so. I'm going to leave it there on top of the phone. I'm going to take these out. To extract the D-pad. Also has the pad. That is supposed to sit in there. I've removed stuff. You Sweeney Todd. Luckily, I didn't take apart both, so I still have a memo. Exactly the way it went. Oh, I'm dropping everything. This video has become quite calamitous, if you ask me. Right, let's just leave it on the floor. The motherboard is not going to snap because it's on the floor. Right, so let's put this back together now for this video gets worse. So, flip it up. X. Y. Z. A, B. And it's A. It fits in a hole that goes in it. That's how it works. A. B. No. That's C, let's put C in. B. That's all of them in. Now we have to put that connector bit back on. Not really connect to it, but yeah. Then. Let's put this one back in. It's just not going back in. And let's go back in. This is quite a drawn video, isn't it? Interesting. Now I need to get the mother actual thing that powers it. The actual thing that powers it. Before I break it. That's him. This is really showing my knowledge in the things I'm doing, isn't it? And it's back. Oh shoot, I put it in the wrong part.
Right, Leela, we're going out now, so see you in a little bit.
See you in a bit.
Alexa's not.
Imbecile. I'm infuriated. I am livid. I'm going to do this very angrily while you'll watch. Div, you absolute div. You should have seen this coming. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. You're so stupid, honestly. You're such a bumwipe. Now if we do it properly this time. Like Jesus. You know what's happened to my voice? I sound like Hillary from Thingy. So, not the Great Night In, the you know what I mean. If you were born in the 90s, you might know what I'm on about. How wide's my how many people actually know who the hell I am? I know what I'm doing. Well, I've no one else to help, so I... Listen. Spaniard. Let's put a screw in. Let's get a foot in there. I don't know if you've seen half of this. I don't care, I'll edit it. So you might just get some screws in. So it doesn't keep falling apart on the way. On the way, it comes from yourself. Same rubbish buttons. Okay, now I'm all on my own, guys, at home, so I can make as many videos as I want in the space of like 2 hours. Don't come to my house, you bunch of freaks. I've learned it's not nice to call your audience freaks. Unless you're at a circus. Isn't a circus like the most horrible thing ever? We're just coming to see people do weird stuff. Isn't that a bit odd? And you stare as well, don't you? Right, that's all back together. At Games aren't going to sue me, making a mockery of their product. I hope to see you again soon. A peace out. Bye.